Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. It's that time. Time to make some sparks and break some hearts. Stick around. Alright, I know you guys have been kind of following along as we've been working on the old Harley Davidson Sportster 1975 Harley Davidson Sportster for the 5 Dirty Bikers representing TACA, the autism community in action. And we've got her down to the frame and motor. And this video, we're gonna cut this frame in half. Now, a lot of people have been saying, don't do it, but you know what? Screw it. It's got to get done, and we're going to do it in this video. But before we can do it, we got to get that motor out of there. So let's knock that out first, and then we break out the cutting wheel. Stick around. And just like that, motor out of the frame. Gotta get some of this grease off the frame before we cut it so we can get some good marks and stuff on there. I don't think you guys want to watch me cleaning grease, so hold that thought. Alright, so we got all that grease and grime and everything off of that frame. Cleaned up the motor a little bit because we actually have to use the engine to do the template, the mock-up for the rear section of the frame. So wanted to get all that grease and grime off of there, but this is your last opportunity to scream at the top of your lungs, no, don't do it, because we about to cut this thing up. Let the tears start flowing. One down, 2 to go. Alright, so what do they say in weddings? That the two shall become one. Let's make these two parts one. Let's make it happen.
Oh my gosh, I'm in the 90s now. Look at my cargo shorts. Look at these cargo shorts, baby. Woo! And the Vans, socks, egg. There it is.
Welcome home from school, buddy. I don't want you to be upset because I did some work on the bike today. Yeah, I cut the frame in half and went ahead and mocked up the rear section of it. Are you gonna hate me forever for this?
Yes, forever and ever and ever. I'm never gonna forget it.
Never gonna forget it. I'm taking it to the grave. What do you think about it?
All right.
Looks cool?
Yeah. Looks good. You did a good cut.
Did a good cut. I cut it 3 places, 3 tubes.
Does that mean we can pull a middle finger at the people that said they didn't want to cut the frame?
I coined the phrase throwing sparks and breaking hearts. That's what we did today. Well, while you're standing here, you're now home from school. Will you help me put the engine into this frame so that we can put some tack welds on it?
Oh God, all right.
Oh God, all right? You ready? All right, let's get this motor in the frame so we can do some welding.
What are you doing?
Hey Austin, can you move that frame for me? Just kind of like grab it right here, and right there. Pick it up and put it on the floor. Use those big 10th grade muscles. Slide it towards you and lift it up. There you go. Look at that. You're big and strong. All right, just set it on the floor. Woo! If you drop it, it doesn't matter because it's a Harley.
You know what? I'm picking it back up and dropping it. Okay. There we go.
All right, let's get this engine. Grab the front part of the frame. Pick it up and rotate it. Yes. Set it over the top of it. Beautiful. Like he's done it before. How big are your muscles? Show me how big your muscles are. Ooh. That's for all the ladies out there. Looking good. All right, let's pick this thing up.
Lady, you mean?
All that, no, lady. All right, ready? Pull it, pick it up, pull it towards us. Stand it up. Oh. She looking like a chopper. Alright, so this is not a how to weld video or how to weld this hardtail onto this Sportster frame. If you're looking for that information, head over to Lowbrow Customs website. They have a really great how-to video on how to do this. This video is more like, look what I can do! now that we got that all tacked up nice and neat, we gotta get that engine back out there so that we can put some good welds around there. Then we gotta throw the engine back inside the frame so that we can weld the top motor mount. And then we gotta take the engine back out of the frame so we can finish welding the top motor mount. It's a lot of here and there, a lot of back and forth. But I think you get the gist of it, that this frame, it's now a hardtail. That means it's a chopper. We have chopped the frame so that it can't go back to stock. And I'm sorry for all you guys at the beginning of this video who was all whining about it, but I tell you what, if you don't think that's cool, man, I don't know what cool would be for you, but this is cool. So thank you guys for hanging out, man. If you are new around here, make sure that you jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.